Hello viewers, my name's Brian McGuigan and I work over at Klarna, looking after all things affiliate. Klarna Affiliate sits in a suite of merchant growth services in the Klarna media domain and includes the Klarna app, which is a premium content and shopping discovery destination that drives quality traffic and sales from the top of the funnel to an incredibly large audience. Klarna has over 147 million global shoppers with over 23 monthly active users in the UK alone. Our users are unique in that we have formed a long-lasting relationship with them through our payment solution. We have seen incredible growth in the affiliate channel over the past year across the globe, with our most mature markets being the US, UK, and DE. We have created and released different exposures that can maximize your visibility to our audience in all of these respective markets. Please get in touch if you're interested in any of these opportunities. We work with pretty much everybody across a number of verticals, except for finance merchants, with us being a bank and all. Speak to one of your account managers over at Web Games and we can get the conversation started from there. Thank you.